all, welcome back to Excel skill. Today we learn the split function. This can also be done like text to column. But here I have the data set of company and the invoice received date. Now I want to take out this received date into day, month and year for the further calculation. So in order to do this, I want the accurate day, month and year of this invoice received date of these many companies. So now what I do is that I will be splitting with this received date into in this fashion, that is day, month and year fashion. We can also do this with the usage of text to column, but today we learn the another way of doing this split of invoice received date. So now let us start. Give equals, then type day, open the parenthesis, choose the date of the received and close the parenthesis and hit enter. You would find the day as 18th of November. Same thing appears for the remaining records. Do the Ctrl D for the remaining records. And now we will be doing that month. For retrieving the month, same way as the day, give equals, type month, open the parenthesis, choose the invoice received date, close the parenthesis and hit enter. You would find the month date, that is November, and do the Ctrl D for the remaining data. Now again for the year, give equals, type year and open the parenthesis, choose the invoice received date, close the parenthesis, hit enter. You would get the year of the invoice received date. This can be used for the further analysis like which day or which month we received the invoice from these many companies. This way you can project the data in other way than the usual text to column. Thank you for watching this. Do like, share and comment. Thank you for subscribing my channel. Your subscription will be an added advantage to me to come up with many more Excel tricks and tips. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe.